Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make at home. I represent the juice bar and the salad bar, and today I want to make you a nice lovely fresh salad for my salad bar. So anyway guys, I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipe coming up, a lot more ideas, tips and a recipe which can work at home for you and your family. My name is Chef Ricardo. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning to my show. Nice, I love it. So basically this is my mixed leaf salad right here with some rocket, and I'm going to give you a lovely recipe today. Alright, first thing what we're going to do is this. Put on some pepper. Okay. We're going to simply get our strainer. We're going to do it the right and proper way by simply pop on a little bit of olive oil also. So this is it, the lemon juice which I'm squeezing on it, because lemon juice is very good for salad. Nice one. Some olive oil. Then I already cracked on some pepper. I need to put on some chili. I'm gonna put on a little bit of chili. Got some tomato right here which I'm going to be using. Then I have some celery. Last of my spring onion. I love spring onion. Just a little piece of ginger. Avocado. Wow, this is beautiful. I love this avocado. Really nice. Look at that. So what we want to do with this avocado today is this. Look at this. Put a little bit of it. That is fantastic. Next one. So we're gonna use a spoon. Scrape out the avocado. Really nice. So if you love avocado, this definitely will work out perfect for you. Lovely little mix. If you notice how I did this salad, yeah, the leaf of the that nice lovely celery, I did not throw it in the bin. I use it. You see that? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, look at that. That is fantastic. Alright guys, please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right, we got a lot more recipes coming out, a lot more ideas, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Lovely salad from me today. Enjoy the recipe. I will see you next time. Bye bye.